Hello guys, how to create a group in Gmail account. You can create a group in your Gmail account so that you can send messages to various your recipients in one click. To do so, go to your Google Chrome browser and here type Google Contacts. Google Contacts will appear. Click on it to open your Google accounts will should be successfully logged in with your email account. Here you will find all your Google accounts associated with your phone or Gmail. Here click on three horizontal dot from the left side and click on plus sign against labels and create labels. Assign a name to this label. You can assign any name as per your choice, as per your group identification. Click on save. Thereafter, your label is successfully created. Open your label recently you have created and here scroll down and click on label contacts, and here you will find go to your contact list, choose select contacts to label, and thereafter in the toolbar choose the manage label icon. So click on three horizontal dot again. Here go to contacts. You may choose frequent or other contacts also, and here select the name of your contact which you want to create a group, and you want to keep these contacts in your group, and click on manage label and click on your newly created label and choose apply. Now you have successfully created a group of your contacts. Now go to your Gmail account and under click on compose and under recipients column type the group name and you will send that group message in one click. That's